Hey Libra, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of July.
Okay, I'm seeing the Two of Swords reversed bottom of the deck. So this is letting me know somebody overall, they made a decision. Libra, what's going on? They made a decision. I'm seeing there was a lot of sadness here. There's a lot of sadness because somebody regrets, I feel like, the way that they treated you. I'm seeing that somebody could have taken a financial loss. Clarify the Five of Cups, please. Somebody could have taken a loss because they had to basically get out of a situation. Somebody's upset because they let you go. They made the wrong decision. Yep, see, because they were being immature. Somebody was being extremely immature and childish, you know, and I'm seeing that they wanted things to improve financially. Oh, okay, so hold on. I'm picking up for someone out there. Somebody was in a situation, right, where they had to, I feel like, choose between you and someone else. Something along those lines. And what happened was, this person was so into money. Like, I have to have money. I have to, basically show off, have this particular type of lifestyle, right? And they had some type of opportunity. It could have been like a business opportunity or somebody that was around them, kept giving to them. Whatever it was like they were thinking about money. So they let you go and they moved in the wrong direction with some type of business opportunity or another love interest, and now they regret it. They regret it. Somebody regrets it because I'm seeing that they want things to improve with you. But see, they feel like because of their immature decision, because of their immature behavior, they're feeling like you're not going to take their offer. And to be honest with you, karma is kicking them. Because, see, they jumped and made this decision based off of money. That's why money is hurting them right now. You know what I'm saying? They took a loss. If they haven't, they're getting ready to. See, even the Five of Pentacles try to, I'm telling you, it's something pertaining to money. Okay. So, yeah, this person hurt you. You could have been dealing with another Libra. Why did Justice just jump out like that? Because it, came out kind of hard. So, let's see. Why is Justice here? Money. What did I just tell y'all? What did I just say? This is about money. You get what I'm saying? Yes, this person does fear that you're not going to take their offer. Yes, hands down. That's what it is. But I'm also picking up somebody was in a situation. Now they get ready to take a loss. Somebody's about to take a loss. And they're worried about their financial stability because this is some type of like business dealing, some type of contract. I mean, somebody could have been, it could be anything. Let's just see. Let's see how this plays out. But regardless, they're worried about their money, guys. See, they're worried about their financial stability. Could have been dealing with an Aries. Ooh, somebody was being a trickster. Somebody was being very manipulative, in the past. And the thing is, they're over here, I'm telling you, this person manifested the wrong type of people in their life. This person messed up. They messed up bad. Now it's like they're trying to stay positive. They're hoping that they can win you back. But see, even the Page of Pentacles just tried to come out reverse. They manifested a codependent situation. That was their lesson. Yep. Now they don't have the strength to come towards you. Somebody could be dealing with a Leo. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius. The thing is, it's like they're holding on to hope. Why is the Star here? They feel like you don't want them anymore. They feel like you're not going to build. Some of you guys, you could be a star, You're in the public eye. And at this point, this person, it's like they're dragging their feet. This other person could be a star for some of you. It's like they're wanting things to improve between the two of you. I'm seeing 2 9s. I told you, this person is going through karma. This is a karmic cycle, right? And they're starting to break out of it, but now they're undecided about what to do when it comes to you because they messed up. See, it's like one minute they're ready to take a leap to come towards you, but the next minute they're not. They're not making a move at all. It's like the seeds that they planted with you, they want them to grow, but they're worried because they didn't take any action to remove themselves from some type of third-party situation that they had themselves into. See? There's the sun. Why is the sun here? There's a baby. There's a baby. Now, granted, no, there's a baby. There's a baby. That could have been an issue, or one of the reasons for some. This is not for everybody. For some of you, maybe this person could have had a child with someone else. And this is why they're worried about their money. This is why they couldn't leave a situation. You know, this is why there was just a lot of emphasis on the money, right? But I do feel like they want to have a new beginning with you. They want to have a child with you. But for some of you, yes, they could have had a child or children with someone else. And this was the problem. See? That could be why they're waiting on some type of judgment if they do have to go to court. But I'm seeing that they will make an overall decision. Why is the Three of Cups here? They're making a decision when it comes to this third-party situation they have themselves in. But at the same time, to be honest, like, I feel like this person wants to celebrate with you. It's like they want to ask you out. But the thing is, they're keeping it to themselves because they feel like you don't want to be with them anymore. You're going to shoot them down. Yeah. See, they were being a player. Somebody got themselves caught up. Somebody got caught up in a situation, being a player, running in and out of your life. And see, now when they sit back and they think about things, they want to have this victory with you. But in order to have a victory with you, they're going to have to free themselves from this other situation that they put themselves into. Yep. See? Could be dealing with family. Could be someone from the past. See, they're going to have to cut this person off. And that's why they're isolating themselves. You could be dealing with a Virgo. Somebody could be dealing with a Cancer. I feel like this person, yes, they're going to move forward with you. They're going to come towards you, and they're going to do it really fast. But they're still back and forth. It's like they want this new beginning with you, but they're afraid it's not going to happen. But there's the Wheel of Fortune. They learned their lesson. They're wanting to move forward with you, see, to balance things out. Could be dealing with a Sagittarius. But there's still some type of codependent situation here. Again, it could be home, family, living situation. But the thing is, they want this with you. You know, they want to have a family with you, a home life with you, all of that. See, they want to balance things out with you, but they may have to give to someone else. So like I said, for some of you guys, there could be a child or children involved. For others of you, this person could be responsible for taking care of someone else that has a child, you know, and they stepped up to the plate. This could be them taking care of family. You know, it could be anything like that. But they were definitely giving to two. And this is the problem. See, I'm seeing two, it's family. It's family. There's some type of family situation going on. But the thing is, I'm seeing that this person does want to turn things around with you, Libra. But right now, they're feeling stuck. There's a mother figure here. Yep. There's a mother figure here, and this person, they could be married to them. They could be in a commitment with them. And I told you, it's like this person, they chose wrong. Period, point blank. Like, they basically moved in another direction. They moved forward, didn't look back, and they regret it now. Could be dealing with a Taurus. See, Queen of Swords tried to come out, and you guys tried to come out reverse, which is letting me know, they already know you cut them off. You're like, I'm not dealing with this. See? Yes, they want a family with you. Yes, they see you as wish fulfillment, but there is some type of family situation going on here. And it's like, this person, they know who they want to be with, but there's still a little bit of hesitation as far as like moving forward. See, there's another queen. There's two women here. Period, point blank. And they feel like you guys are just moving on. You're not worried about them, you know, and now it's like they're listening to their intuition. See, because in the past they were sneaky. I feel like the person that they were dealing with, I feel like they're sneaky too. And this person, they're trying to make a change. Why is the Knight of Swords here? They're trying to move really fast, but they're stuck trying to make a final decision. Okay, so I'm seeing that they're going to give you an offer. You're going to hear from them. There's communication coming in. I'm seeing that they're going to come out of being frustrated with their money. See, they were holding on to this other situation for money. I told y'all, this is all about money. But the thing is, they don't even know what exactly to say to you to fix this, but they're going to get out of their head. They're going to get out of their head. Look at that. See, I told you they're going to get, I have 2 5s. They're not overthinking this. They're not in their head about it, like, I know what I have to do. They're over the arguing, I feel like, with this other person. See, and even the way the King and the Queen of Pentacles align, this is marriage, some type of business partnership. So for some of you, maybe this person was married. They could have went to business with this person. But I do feel like, yes, they ultimately want to be with you. But even the moon just caught my eye. So maybe this was something that they kept hidden from you. So some of you may not know all of the details that this person was in, you know, and that's why they're worried. Like, they want to be with you, but they're going to have to come back and tell you everything if you don't know. This is why things weren't balanced between the two of you. See, I told you, there's an apology coming. This person is coming back to apologize to you. Yep, because they repeatedly kept stabbing you in the back. And see, they want to make it right. They want things to work out between the two of you. So they're going to come out of being frustrated. But why is the devil here? Back and forth with the Lovers. They're afraid because they want to be with you, but they don't know if it's going to happen. You know, this could be them still in some toxic commitment, you know, to someone else. But again, they're going to make a decision. The decision is based on listening to their intuition. Y'all, I'm skipping signs. I'm so... Y'all, I'm really in my zone. So let's back up. Okay. I don't know how far, but whatever. Y'all know the signs. So far what I see up top, somebody could have been dealing with a Capricorn, somebody could have been dealing with a Gemini, and I do have a Pisces here. But I'm telling you, this person, they're going to listen to their intuition. And they're going to speak their truth to you. And they're going to tell you that they want to have a new opportunity with you. They want to heal things because they left you out in the cold. But they're afraid that they're not going to have a new opportunity with you because in the past they put an end to this new start, you know, that you wanted to have with them. Somebody's definitely going through a transformation. Could be dealing with a Scorpio. They're going to put an end to this other situation, but I told you. Did I tell you before? It's like you tried to come out reverse. There you are. I told you. They feel like when they come back to speak their truth to you, to tell you everything, you're going to be like, nope, I'm good. But see, they want to make it right. They want to fix it. See, they're going to come out of being frustrated, but they're still avoiding a tower. Y'all, this person, Lord Jesus. Okay, they're needing to put in the work. Because, yeah, they're going to put in the work. Because they don't want you to walk away. So even though right now some of you guys may not be talking to this person, I do feel like they're almost there to the point where they're getting ready to reach out to you. Because they're going to speak their truth to you. They're going to do whatever it takes to win you back. Because they do not want to lose you. They know they messed up. They messed up bad. And I feel like this go around, when they do come in, they're not playing games anymore. You know, it's not anymore that back and forth situation. They're going to let you know what it is. So, yeah, let's get some advice. Let me see how you guys may handle this. They going to have to fight for their love, okay? Who just said screw them? Somebody's thinking that. Lord, okay. See, I can't stand y'all. Okay, I have the Five of Pentacles, bottom of the deck. So, yeah, this could be why I heard somebody say screw them or whatever, because this person left you out in the cold. You're like, I'm not giving them another chance. All right, I'm seeing Judgment. So, this is you needing to make a decision. Because even though, like, you were frustrated by this person, you did what you had to do to heal. You did what you had to do to move forward and clear away certain obstacles. Yeah, see, you freed yourself. You freed yourself from this situation, possibly for some of you, this connection. But I'm seeing communication coming in for you. I told you, they're coming back in. But see, you're like, I'm not putting any time, effort, or energy into you. You may even tell them this. You guys are standing your ground. See, because you're still having a hard time with what this person did to you. How they treated you, you know. And it's to the point where you're like, you know what, I don't see myself being in a relationship with you, a commitment with you, and guess what? I had to leave this situation alone so I can put the focus and all that energy I was giving to you back into myself. That was your reading. Please leave me some comments. Let me know if this resonated for you guys. All right, guys. Talk to you soon.